Alright everyone, there's one more thing I'd like to discuss with you on the quiz review file, and that is called vertex form. Starting in number 28, actually number 27 also, but 28 down, these functions are all written in vertex format. Okay, now you're used to seeing standard form, but these are not in standard form. These are in vertex form. Vertex form will always have an a value right here. Then you'll see parentheses, and then you'll see x minus some number. That number is represented by the letter h, usually. Then you'll see squared, and then you'll see another number out here usually, and that number is represented by the letter k. That's vertex form, okay? So it's called vertex form because it's easy to identify the vertex in this situation, in this setup. The vertex is really just the numbers h comma k. That's it. It's already set up for you. You don't have to do any work. You don't have to do the negative b over 2a thing to find the vertex. Whatever this number is right here, and this number is out here, your h and your k, those are the values of your vertex. So in this problem, the vertex is going to be 3, 0. That's it. Your a value is 1/2. So from there, you could tell what your transformations are. This will be 3 units to the right, 0 units up, and if your a value is 1/2, that means it gets wider. And that's the answer over here. It's getting wider, it's 3 units right, and it's 0 units up. You don't when it's 0 units up or down, you don't have to write that part. Okay? Let's do number 29. Here's your a value. Here's your h value. Here's your k value. Now, here's the little thing also that you definitely have to pay attention to. In vertex form, if you look, there's always a minus sign there and a plus sign there. Okay? So if you see a plus sign in there, what that actually means is that it's negative h. You should see x minus h. But in this one, you see x plus h. So that means h, your h value in this one is actually negative 4. And then comma 2. Your a value in this one is going to be negative 1 because there's no number there, but there is a minus sign. So in this one, your transformations are 4 units left, 2 units up, 4 units left, 2 units up, 4 units left, 2 units up. And if your a value is negative 1, that means it's getting reflected downward over the x-axis. Let's do number 30 also. So you see a plus sign again. So your h and your k. So your h is actually negative 4, comma 2. Because the minus sign there is always built into the equation. But if you don't see a minus sign, what that really means is that it's going to be negative. It's going to be minus negative 4, which turns it into a plus sign. So your h value is actually negative 4. Basically, the shortcut is just do whatever sign there and do the opposite of it. If that's a plus sign, then your h is negative 4. If that's a minus sign, then your h is positive 4. Your a value is negative 3. So this is going to be 4 units left, 2 units up, reflected down, and narrower, because a is 3. Whenever the a becomes a number higher than 1, it's narrower. When a is a fraction that's less than 1, it's wider. Okay, and here's all those answers right here. Hope this helps.